Well, hello and welcome to Leadership 540 in the Master of Arts Leadership program at Bushnell University. My name is Dan Collins, and I'm your adjunct professor for this term. I teach adjunctly in the Master of Arts Leadership program and also the online MBA program. I'm really glad that you've joined us. Like every leadership class in the Master of Arts of Leadership, we will be focusing on three questions, which is, what is your working definition of leadership? There are thousands of definitions that you will find, and many you'll find even in the readings of this course. But what is your definition? How do you define that? And then, how does leadership work? What is your working theory of the way that leadership functions? Which leads to the third question, what is your leadership identity? We believe at Bushnell that leadership flows from identity, from being. From our being flows what we do. And the more you can understand the way that you've been wired, the way that your experiences, story, competency comes together, the stronger and the more competent your leadership will be. In this course, we're going to cover a number of topics, including organizational change, organizational behavior, organizational systems, leadership theories, and organizational communication. We'll start with mission, vision, values, and strategy. We'll be covering a few different topics, a book from Harvard Business School about managing change, and another book about learning leadership, and some various articles as well. Looking forward to the different reading assignments together. So let's cover some of the assignments that you'll be going over. Like every course at Bushnell, there is something to read, there's class to attend, there are things to discuss, and there will be assignments to complete. Because this is an online course, your attendance is marked by you watching videos and participating in the discussions, and by submitting your assignments. Our reading tends to be somewhere between 50 and 100 pages a week, depending on which week we're in. We have 3 different books that we'll go through and a few different articles that are posted online. And for your assignments, for the first 6 weeks, we'll be doing discussions and complete assignments. Each of the complete assignments is a 3 to 4 page paper in APA format that integrates what you're reading with a few extra sources. You do not have to write 4 pages. I can understand what you are doing in 3 if 3 is well written, and I will be grading accordingly. So I really what I'm most interested in is how you are integrating what you're learning with what you have already learned or some of the other sources that you are interacting with, and how that's forming those questions. What is leadership? What is your theory of how leadership functions? And who are you as a leader? So integrating all those together. The last 2 weeks have a couple of bigger assignments. One is a video presentation, and the final one is a larger paper that'll be it's all in the syllabus. Please be working ahead on those assignments so that you don't get behind. All those complete assignments are due on Sunday evening, and I will accept late assignments with a 10% per day until Wednesday morning. But I would encourage you to turn in everything on time. I can't grade them and get them back to you on time if you turn them in late. Like many of you, I have a full-time job, so I do most of my grading, some on Sunday night and then some on Monday. So if you turn in late, I will grade your paper late and you won't get that feedback in time. With the discussions, there are 2 times during the week when you need to turn in discussions, an initial post and a response to other students' posts. If this is your first class and you are just getting used to online, feel free to email me and ask any questions about how it functions and what you need to do. If this is your 3rd or 4th course, it will feel very similar to the other courses in the leadership program. We're here to serve you. We're here to help you as professors are. Our goal is to help you grow as a leader and grow in your skill and competency in what you do as a leader. So I'm glad you're with us, and I look forward to the journey.